Now, if you look at my cash here, you'll see I've made $3.82. And I also have an unread email that I'm going to read to also make some money. If you look at my inbox here, this inbox is showing one means that I have one email that I have not read. And if you go there, I have a lot of things that you can actually do to make money. Hello guys, in today's video, I'll be showing you how you can get paid for reading emails that are sent to your email inbox all the time. So please make sure you stick around from the beginning to the end of this video because I'm going to be showing you a step guide that you can use to make money by reading emails. And one good thing about today's video that I'm going to be showing you several ways in this particular website through which you can make money. It's not only by reading email, there are still some other points, some other things that are very important that you can also use to make money. That is to say, while they are sending you emails and you're reading them, there are still some other opportunities that you can actually leverage on to make money. Hi, my name is Linus and welcome back to my channel. On this channel, I make videos that teach you how to make money online and also how to help you scale your online business. If this is what you like, please stick around. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell notification so that each time I upload new videos, YouTube is going to notify you. And also, please make sure that you share this video among your family and friends and to all those people who might actually be having some financial difficulties so that they're going to learn what I'm going to be teaching you in today's video. And once they start implementing everything I'm going to teach you, definitely they will start making their own money. And also, please, if you are a returning subscriber, I say thank you. Thank you for being part of my channel. Thank you for making me to grow my channel. And also, I urge you to share this video a thumbs up if you're getting any value from it. And also try as much as possible to share it among your friends and family members, because in today's video, I have a lot of packages that I'm going to be teaching you. And ensure that you do not just watch this video halfway and, go and start implementing. Make sure that you listen very carefully. Make sure that you watch the video. If possible, watch it for the very first time, then calm down, watch it again, and begin to implement what I'll be teaching you. Today, we'll be looking at a website that says paid-to-read-email.com. If you look at paid-to-read-email.com, there are so many opportunities that are there. You can, if you go down to the down part of this email, this website, you see how does it work. 3 simple steps for you to get paid for reading emails online. The first one is you sign up. Second one, you read emails and you also get paid. Then why do you join paid to read email? You join paid to read email because you receive daily paid emails and you get quick payment within 24 hours. And once you get up to $15, that is the minimum payout that you can get before you can, request for payment. You can also join and activate account. And one good thing about this particular website is that once you join and activate your account, you're going to get $3 instantly. And that $3 is a bonus. And once you take daily paid survey, that's another good thing about this website, that you also have surveys. As you're reading your emails, you are also doing surveys for you to be able to get paid on this particular website. Guys, you are going to see exactly how I'm going to make money live on this video today. I'm going to show you exactly what you should be doing. And the first thing you need to do here is, if you're a new person now, what you're going to do is to come down here and you see sign up. And if you click sign up, I'm going to leave my invitation link here. I'm going to leave a link, and that link is my affiliate link, because if you refer anybody, each time you refer somebody, you're also going to be paid on this particular website. So I'll be putting up my referral link. You click on that referral link, sign up. And one good thing about this is that if you come down here, you say refer your friends, and if you refer your friends, you get paid. Refer your friends 2 levels. And once each of your friends begin to make money, what you have to do, you're going to get 15% of whatsoever thing they are making. Isn't this an awesome thing to do? Just sit down in your house, you receive email, and once you receive those emails, you open them and begin to make money. Pay to read money is all about your inbox paying you. And if you go to pay to read money, you have surveys, you have several surveys that you can take, and you earn up to 0.4 0 cent to 0.80 for every completed survey. There are a lot of surveys you have there. You have unlimited surveys that you can actually take. Ensure that you check your email all the time, because if you check your email all the time, definitely you must be getting paid emails from pay to read emails. And one other thing here is, if you look at this particular place now, if you download an app, they are going to be paying you some certain amount of money. And being a new person, what you have to do here is, if you click on sign up, you're going to fill all your details. And once you fill all your details, you will just log in now. Now let me just log into my dashboard so that we begin to see how to go about these making money opportunities. The fact that they'll be sending you email on a daily basis. If you log into pay to read email, make sure you check out some other things like these surveys. If you come here, you have offers, free offers, survey offers, books. These are some other ways you can actually make money. Now, I have 2 unread emails already. All these emails have been sent to me before I come on board for this particular video, but I'm just going to leave this because I purposely left so that I'll be able to show you how you can do all these things to make money. So what you need to do now, if you click on this pay to read email, what you will see there is confirm reading this paid email. Confirm that you have read it in your mailbox. Confirm that you have read it. If you click this confirm that you have read it, let us told you thank you for reading this paid email. Then if you come to an inbox here, let's see whether we still have that email left here. Then we'll have the second one. The second one we have to do is this one also says confirm reading this paid email. So you also click on it. Now this place has also told us again, thank you for reading this paid email. Then another thing again that you can do to earn more money, you have earn points and get them created to your account instantly. These are some of the things, like I told you earlier on, if you have the one of mobile app, you can download some mobile app, you can download some desktop apps, you can do surveys. There are also multi-reward and there are also points. Now, if you come here, you can also play games. You can play games to make money on this particular website. Don't you think this website is an awesome way of making a lot of money? It's a Smash Party Hero Action. This is a particular game you can play to make money on this particular website. Just make sure that your email is always open for these emails to be dropping. And once these emails are dropping, you'll definitely be getting paid. Guys, if you're still watching up to this particular point and you've not subscribed to my channel, please do whatever you're doing and just please pause that video. No, pause it, or you go and subscribe. Please just subscribe and make sure you share this video. You can also go to the comment section and begin to comment whatever thing you feel about this video. You can also comment where you're watching from. Comment if there's some difficulties you are passing through on this particular video. Please go to the comment section and comment it. I will definitely be there to answer you. Now, if you look at this place now, when I logged on here, this was not my initial balance. Now, because of the fact that I've read this email, my money has actually increased to 4.04 now. Okay, that because I went and read the email. And if you look at this now, my inbox is already empty. Because of what? Because I've read all the emails that I was supposed to read. I've read all the emails now. And this is how much I have. Now, this particular one now is mainly the one I was created when I logged in before. Because if you look at what I said before, if you log in, they're going to give you $3 welcome payment. Guys, don't you think this is a very good opportunity to make money at the comfort of your house? Please make sure that after you finish watching this video, go and start taking actions immediately. Do not actually wait. Subscribe to my channel. As you have been watching, subscribe to my channel. If you have watched to this particular point, thank you for all you've done. See you in the next video. Thank you.